Hello and welcome to all of you on my productive and skill oriented platform. So most of the time this question comes up in my mind that is there any possibility that I can explore firewall solutions on the platform of Fortinet, Palo Alto, Sophos and any other vendor. It might be Juniper, Cisco. So is there any possibility that I can explore and deploy all these products and make a comparative list of the features and deployment capabilities, and then I'll decide which firewall will I need to deploy for my data center? So is there any possibility? Yes, of course, because we have Microsoft Azure Marketplace option available where all appliances related with these firewalls available. So if I explore the Azure Marketplace and I want to explore Sophos XG 3100 or any other firewall on this platform, so the software appliance is available. I can deploy the virtual machine, I can explore the features, I can deploy WAF, VPN, firewall rules, NAT rules, and all other stuff related to the firewall. And if I want to deploy a Palo Alto security appliance, so yes, of course, this opportunity is also available, and same goes for the Fortinet as well. So let's move and see what kind of features and options available inside Microsoft Azure Marketplace.
So here we go. We need to select more services under the Microsoft Azure portal and move forward to find the option of journal. So here we find the marketplace and then we type here Sophos Firewall. So we will search for the Sophos Firewall solutions and here we go. You can see we have number of options. So we can go with the Sophos Firewall creation. So we are going to set up the firewall appliance for the Sophos XG 3100. So I need to select the basic parameters as we did for virtual machine creation. So I need to create the new resource group for this virtual appliance, and after that I need to select the region virtual machine name, and then I need to configure the password. Definitely it's a virtual appliance, virtual operating system inside which we need to provide the login credentials. So I need to set up those credentials over here, and then we will move forward with further deployment options. So I create the virtual machine name and password, and then click the instance details, and here you can see we have number of options regarding the LAN implementation, WAN implementation, and the license type will be pay as you go. Okay, and then we will select the default options regarding the WAN and LAN as well. So I need to define the domain name because DNS name must be required over here to set up the URL for this virtual appliance. So I just need to find a unique name, and after that I need to move forward with the deployment option. Click on the next option just to verify all the parameters regarding the deployment, and here you can see oops, I think so we have some kind of issues. I mean we need to verify the instance detail. Okay, so I just need to define the storage account because I was not configured that one. So I just need to review and create the virtual appliance, and within a few seconds this virtual appliance will be created inside Azure portal, and then we will be able to verify all the parameters inside Azure portal. So I need to click on the create option, so hit enter, and here you can see initialization of the deployment is started over here. Here we go. So deployment is in progress, and it will create a number of options regarding the LAN virtual switches, WAN virtual switches, storage account, public IP address, and all the stuff generally we require for the virtual appliance, because we need LAN for the LAN connectivity, while WAN for the internet connectivity, internet facing area of this virtual appliance. So all these parameters will be set up, and then we will be able to explore all the resources inside this security appliance. Here you can see, so almost we have done. Now your deployment is completed. We need to go to resource group, and we will verify a number of options regarding this virtual machine. So here you can see port A, port B available, which means that LAN area and WAN area for this virtual appliance, and we have number of other parameters. So the virtual appliance is created inside the Azure portal, and we just need to verify internal components as we deploy Sophos XG Firewall. So let's move and see what kind of features available inside this firewall. So we just need to click on the virtual appliance, and this machine is already running inside the Azure portal. So we need to verify public IP addresses and private IP addresses. Here you can see, here we have the private IP address, and now we need to find the public IP address over here, and that is the address with the help of which we can access our Sophos XG firewall. So I just need to copy that address from here and type over here, and here I need to add 4444, which is the port number to access the Sophos XG firewall, as we are going to configure this firewall from scratch. So here the URL is appeared with the Sophos login credentials. So I need to provide the login credentials over here, and then we will be able to explore internal option inside this security appliance. So I just need to put the right password over here, and then click login, and here we go. Now I'm able to logged in inside the security appliance. I just need to agree with the license terms and conditions. So as the screen appear over here, so here I just need to accept it. So I will click on the I accept option, and then we will move forward. And here we go. As I select, because we are going to configure this firewall from scratch, which we just created inside the Azure Marketplace. Now, here all the parameters regarding the NAT rules, VPN, firewalls, storage options, backup, firmware, each and everything is available. So in the coming episode, we will go and find number of options regarding the Sophos deployment. But right now in this episode, we just verify that we can create number of customized appliances with the help of Azure Marketplace, and we can also practically deploy this firewall for to protect our Azure environment, or to create some kind of VPN connectivity with our head office and branch office. So we will cover all these sessions in the coming episode. Thank you very much.